Susan. I hope you're doing great. Today I'm participating in the 50 Stack Challenge hosted by Amy of Crafty Cat. And we're almost at the end. We've only got 2 more weeks after this week. And our prompts this week for 45 and 46. 45 is retro. And I've got this paper from a previous project. So I feel like this is around the 70s, and it was always love. You drew love in your notebooks, all this love. And on 46, our prompt is man. So I've got this man with his son and these machine type parts. So I hope you'll enjoy this video. Without further ado, let's get started. What a difference a prompt makes. Here's 45 and 46. Got my retro. Can someone tell me why we used to take pictures in front of cars? And here is our prompt for 46, which is man. And I really love how they turned out. Not sure what I'll ever use this in. Maybe I'll do a retro journal one day. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give me a thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button. Ring that bell so you can be notified when I upload new content. Leave a comment. Tell me what you think. Be sure and check out Amy's channel, and be sure and check out the hashtag 50 Stack Challenge. And be sure and check out her new challenge, 50 Stack Challenge 2. I've already participated the first week, and it's going to be a lot of fun, I can tell. I've really enjoyed this one. I hope y'all be safe and healthy, and until next time, bye y'all.